Hello, I'm Gabriela Cocos and this is Network Project for CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. For this project, I had to design a basic social network application using Django and following specific requirements. So let's dive in. MuseKey is the name of the application, and here people can share everything about music. Users can write posts, follow others, and like posts. This is the main view, and here we can see all posts from all users, with the most recent posts first. Each post includes the username, date and time, the content, and the number of likes that post has. Users can write posts, but they need to be logged in. Let's see. And we are redirected to the login page. So let's log in. Okay, now that we are logged in, we can see the navigation menu has changed. We also have the following link, but we'll talk about that a bit later. Now let's write a post. And we can see the post, the first one, since it's the most recent one. Usernames are links to the profile pages. Here we can find information about the number of followers and the number of people this user follows. And we can see all the posts from this user. Since this is the user's own page, we don't have a follow button, so let's try another one. Here is the follow/unfollow button, and the user can toggle between following and unfollowing this user, and as you see, the number of followers updates accordingly. Now the following link takes us to a page that works just like all post page, but here we only see the posts from users the current user follows. Okay, now let's talk about pagination. Posts are 10 per page, and if there are more than 10 posts, the next button appears to load the older posts. If we're not on the first page, a previous button lets us go back. Some posts have edit and delete buttons. Let's see. We can delete posts, and when we click edit, the original post is shown and we can update it. Let's see, and save the changes. And since I used JavaScript, the page updates without reloading. One last thing, let's talk about like buttons. Users can toggle between liking and unliking a post, and the number of likes updates instantly. Since I'm not a web designer, I kept the look clean and simple, but I did make the application responsive, so it adapts well on different screen sizes. Thank you for watching. This was my network project. Have a nice day.